Dr. Atmaram Pawar. So in the previous sessions, we've seen the syrup IP, syrup USP, orange syrup, lemon syrup, which are all the additives. And today, we'll see the medicated syrup as a dosage form. So we are doing the attempt to improve your logical thinking, to understand how any formulation is prepared. So and this the first year, at this first year, you should be able to understand at least which are the different additives, what are the merits and demerits of that particular dosage form. So we'll take example of Vasaka syrup, IP, which contains Vasaka liquid extract, glycerin and syrup IP. Before this, we should understand what are the merits of liquid as a dosage form, demerits of liquid as a dosage form, where we can compare it with the solid dosage forms like tablets, ointments, creams, which are the semi-solid dosage forms, or even injections. So what are the important points to compare in between the dosage forms? These are the therapeutic aspect. So whether it is easy to administer, easy to swallow, likewise. Then handling, easy to handle, like a physiochemical property like stability, how long it will be stable, it will degrade fast or slow. Biopharmaceutics, how fast it will attain the bioavailability and give the effect. Acceptability, that is whether the preparation is acceptable, tasty, bitter, what it may be, likewise. And last is the ease of compounding or ease of manufacturing. Okay, this component is a major component of formulation, pharmaceutical formulation or pharmaceutical technology at third year. But if we see basic, at least we should know at the first year that what is the dosage form, how to understand the example and the dosage form, ease of administration, way of administration, likewise. So we are considering here the first Vasaka syrup. So it is a syrup, which is a liquid. We have to compare with the elixir. We have to compare with the linctors. We have to compare with the mixtures. All these are the liquid dosage forms. Then why this Vasaka is formulated as a syrup is more important. Correct. So before that, to understand this, we should understand what is the indications of Vasaka. Vasaka is a well-known herbal product. It's a plant origin. Ada thoda Vasaka. The leaves are used as expectorant, bronchodilator. It have a capacity of kapha balancing as per the Ayurveda. So it is a very traditional medicament available in the market also as an expectorant. So point is, which is the ingredient present in the Vasaka is expectorant. Which ingredient present in the Vasaka is a bronchodilator. For that, what is expectorant first? So expectorants are different, cough suppressants are different. So this is the expectorant which expels the cough, which removes that mucus. So how it removes the mucus? So it may contain some volatile principles which dilute the mucus, which may dilate the our bronchioles and all this bronchodilator, which will help to expel the mucus. Likewise, what is there in the Vasaka which have the expectorant action and what is expectorant? This is expected at the first year. So what are the benefits of syrup for an expectorant purpose? Correct. So where in the expectorant there is sometimes irritation in the throat. So does that syrup will help for that? Its viscosity, its taste. So all this we have to take into consideration to explain that why Vasaka is formulated as a syrup. Why it is not formulated as a thin liquid? The Vasaka liquid extract is a liquid only. Correct. Why it is not given as such? So the formulation is prepared using that one liquid, that is Vasaka liquid extract, to prepare the syrup base. Correct. How syrups are administered? Why this question is? Because syrups are comparatively viscous. How to administer it? Whether to mix in the water. Suppose it is the paracetamol syrup, which is the for fever. Okay, we can mix in the water and swallow that water, which is prepared by dissolving that syrup. If it is expectorant syrup, it is the same process that take a spoon of syrup, Vasaka syrup, mix in the water and swallow that water. Or take a Vasaka syrup as such and then take water or not. If we are taking physical preparations, what is the amount of syrup may remain in the spoon? So this point is important regarding the syrup and it depends on the active ingredient and indication. Therefore, understand this, how to administer syrup, how to administer Vasaka syrup. At the same time, the next preparation is the paracetamol only, how to administer that paracetamol syrup. Slightly difference is there. And why difference? I given the reason, I given the clue. What is the role of glycerin in the expectorants? We remove the glycerin, we'll add, suppose the Vasaka liquid extract and syrup IP. Why to add glycerin? What is the benefit of glycerin in the such a condition where there is the throat is irritating? And what are the benefits of glycerin? What is the taste of glycerin? What is the viscosity of glycerin? It is volatile or non-volatile? If we place a glycerin on any inflamed area or inflamed throat, what will be its effect? So this may be the reason, correct? Because the condition is such that we have the irritating throat. So is there any role of glycerin in that? This is expected here. What is the limitation of use of glycerin as a main vehicle? If the glycerin is a good ingredient in the such a formulations, expectorant formulations, make glycerin to make 100%. But glycerin may have some other side effects, other effect. So what is that effect? If we consume glycerin in excess, whether it will act on the GI tract functioning or any other functioning. Therefore, the glycerin is not used as a main vehicle. In the third year, we will see the amount of permitted level of glycerin in the preparations. But at this level, we should know what are the merits and demerits of glycerin as a main vehicle. What are the preservatives in the Vasaka syrup? Here there is no methyl paraben, propyl paraben, nothing, no, correct. Syrup is there, glycerin is there, and Vasaka liquid extract is there. And Vasaka liquid extract is watery or alcoholic. Suppose that Vasaka liquid extract is alcoholic, fortunately it gives the preservative action. Glycerin, whether the glycerin have capacity to prevent the microbial growth, and the syrup, we have to give thought on it. And if we compare with the addition of methyl paraben, propyl paraben or other some preservatives, what may be the stability of this preparation and the stability of preparation which contain the preservative, that also thought we have to give. Again, this preparation is very old preparation for extemporaneous or for compounding purpose. But now if in the third year, okay, the first year it is okay, the third year the same preparation is taken for manufacturing, then definitely this formula will not be sufficient to manufacture this Vasaka syrup for use of 2 years to 3 years. No. So for 1 month it may be stable, but what are that? The preservatives used, or which ingredients act as a preservative in Vasaka syrup, which is for compounding purpose. Is the Vasaka syrup IP is indicated in pediatrics? Why? Why this question is there? Question may be due to whether the syrup is indicated or not indicated in the pediatrics. Most of the pediatrics are syrup only. They are sweet in taste. The kids like it. Then whether it contains alcohol, we have to check it. Or whether the Vasaka itself is not good for patient, pediatrics. So therefore, the answer is simple. You just find what is the Vasaka liquid extract. It will give you idea. Name few similar type of marketed products. As I told, this is the very traditional expectorant available in the market, manufactured by many companies with the Vasaka. What is in general merits and demerits of liquid orals, as I discussed, and we have to compare with the elixir, linctus and mixtures. So hope next time you will come with the what is the elixirs, what is the linctus, what is the mixture, and compare it. Correct. So these questions will give you the platform, some clue for thinking to find out the answers, and I'm waiting for your answers. So write your answers in a comment box. Right or wrong doesn't matter. If we read the preface of my books, what I written, the classroom is the best place to speak wrong things very confidently because teacher is there to correct it. Don't carry the negative things. Don't carry the confusions. Don't keep any ego. Be open because these are the days to learn more. Hmm? So I appeal you, understand the concept, read the books, write the answers in comment box, write your confusions in the comment box. We'll make it 100% if you have any confusion. If you are not writing anything, or if student not speak in the class, if whole class doesn't have any difficulty, then I assume that that class is 100% right. Each and every student know each and everything in the universe, therefore they are not have any confusion, they are not have any the wrong concepts in their mind, so there is no need of even teacher. So this is my message for this. So have a good day, waiting for your answers. We'll see the paracetamol pediatric elixir, paracetamol pediatric syrup in the next line, which are more important, and the paracetamol, crocin, Febrex, number of such paracetamol syrups are there in the market. So watch the next video on the paracetamol. Thank you.